In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify TikTok app not compatible error. If you've tried adding the TikTok sales channel to your Shopify store and you're seeing a not compatible message, it's usually because TikTok only supports certain countries for installation. The quickest way to resolve this is to update your store's billing country in Shopify, then try the TikTok install again. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, go to Settings. This section controls your store-wide preferences and account details. Within Settings, look for the General area and open Billing. Inside Billing, find the billing address. This is the address Shopify uses for invoicing, and the country listed here is what TikTok checks to determine whether your store is eligible to install the app. Click to edit your billing address, then change the country to one where the TikTok app for Shopify is available. Fill in the rest of the address fields so they're valid for that country, and make sure to save your changes. A quick heads up, changing your billing country can affect how Shopify handles taxes and invoices for your account, so only proceed if this aligns with your business needs. Once you've saved, return to your Shopify admin and try installing the TikTok app again from the Apps section or by adding it under Sales Channels. If the billing country is supported, the compatibility warning should disappear and you'll be able to continue with the installation. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment and refresh the page to let Shopify update your account details in the background. If the app still shows as not compatible, go back to your billing address and select a different supported country, save again, and retry the installation. Sometimes compatibility can vary by region, so testing another eligible country can do the trick. After saving, wait a few seconds before you try the download again to ensure the system has fully updated. And that's it. By opening your Shopify store, going into Settings, selecting Billing under General, editing the billing address to a supported country, and then attempting the TikTok installation again, you can clear the not compatible error and move forward. Keep your business requirements in mind when adjusting billing details, and you'll be set to add TikTok to your Shopify store smoothly.